Hey guys, hope that you are doing good and staying safe at home. And also I hope that the videos which I am posting in the YouTube channel is useful for you people. If you have got any requirements or queries or feedback, do let me know in the comment section. All your requests will get processed. And also which helps me to do a particular video on the requested concepts. If you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe my channel to get more updates, and let's get into the video. Hello viewers, welcome to RK Keynotes. Today I'm going to talk about a simple trick called God mode. God mode is also called as Windows Master Control Panel, where you can have or you can control multiple Windows commands in one single window. Let's see how to do this. This is very simple. I have given this code in the description box. You need to copy this and create a folder in desktop and paste this copied code into this. Alright, you see this? Yeah. And just press enter. That's it. So you got a icon like control panel. Just double click and open this. You can explore or you can have control on all the items which you can see right now, like Action Center, administrative tools and much more. So you can access more than 200 tools in one single place. You see this firewall and all. That's it. So hope you like this trick. Thanks for watching the video.